Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off and restart the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So here is my phone, S25 Ultra. It's the same also for S25 and S25 Plus, and if you push it long on the side button, as you can see, Gemini Assistant appears, and the question is how to turn off this phone. And we have two ways. The first one is to push and hold the volume down and the power button, like this. And here we have the power off menu, and from here you can turn off, restart, call the emergency, or access the medical info. Now, the second way for that, just go to the top to the quick access panel, and here we have a little icon to power off. Just tap on it, and again from here you can select power off or restart. Now let me show you an easy way. For that, just tap here where you see side button settings. And here we have long press. Now it's selected digital assistant, the Gemini assistant. And if you tap on it, from here you can select power off menu. And now I will exit, and to turn off my phone, now just push and hold the side button. And as you can see, now the power off menu appears, and from here you can turn off very easy your phone. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.